A lot of people come in with neck and upper back pain specifically from sitting all day. Students sit in class, the rest of us sit at jobs, and after you sit at your computer at work all day, you sit in your car and drive home through traffic, and then you sit on your couch and watch TV or play on your phone, and all that sitting starts to accumulate. So we've talked a lot about how the body likes alternating pattern of mobility and stability. One of the main areas of mobility is the upper back or the thoracic spine, and as you hunch forward, you start to lose the ability to extend and rotate through your spine. That's going to cause you to over-rotate through the neck, and that creates a lot of overuse injuries in the upper part of your trapezius muscle. It's going to cause you to over-rely on the next layers of muscle down, and that's what we're trying to stretch out right here. And what I want to do today is go through some soft tissue release and adjustment, and then show you a good everyday morning routine to help you fight back against that cave troll posture that we all get from too much technology. This will improve your reach, especially your overhead reach, right? Mm-hmm. So when you try to reach over your head, your shoulder blade has to relax your arm. Your shoulder blade has to rock back to get your arm up. Yeah. But if your spine is flexed forward, it's blocking, the roundness of your back is blocking your shoulder blade. So now you're either gonna overextend at the rotator cuff and strain the shoulder joint, or you're gonna hyperextend the lower back and compress all that, create low back pain. Or you're just not gonna get your arm up high enough and that ball's gonna miss your fingertips by like an inch, and you're gonna end up as somebody else's YouTube highlight.
That's not what we want.
As we get trapped in that bad posture, that forward head positioning with the rounded upper back, you start to create a feedback loop of the posture puts you in a position so the muscles adapt to that, and it creates an imbalance called upper cross syndrome, where the muscles of the chest and the front of the neck get really, really tight, and the muscles right up here at the base of the skull get very tight, and then the deep neck flexors and the upper back muscles get stretched out and dysfunctional. So when you draw that pattern out on a chart on a body, it makes a cross pattern. So upper cross is where that name comes from. So relax your head. So getting in here and just stretching out this group of muscles coming off the side of the spine called the scalenes.